Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Khalid Mahmud. This is our AutoCAD tutorial series. In today's video, I will guide you step by step how to create exercise 38 in AutoCAD. That will help you to improve your drafting skill. If you are a beginner, so don't worry. I will explain everything in a way that's easy to understand. And plus, you can download the PDF file from the link in the description box. So follow along. So let's get started. Step 1. Setting up the drawing. So just open your AutoCAD and create a new drawing. Set the unit to millimeter. Just typing UNITS units, press enter and check as a millimeter. Press OK. Turn on grid and snap mode using F7 and F9 for better accuracy. Activate ortho mode using F8 to draw straight line very easily. Okay. Now step 2. Creating the center line. We need to create a straight line using line command. So draw a vertical line using line command. L for line. For create straight line, use ortho, type F8. Yeah, otherwise you can check from here ortho mode. Click from here to downside as a straight line using, for example, 120. Press enter. Create one more line. It's a vertical line. Use L for line. For this base point to this one. Without measurement, click on this center point and drag it here. Convert this line in a center line. So select these two lines, go to properties and check a line type as a center line and color will be red. Now step 3. Drawing the outer shape. As you see in this diagram, we are going to create all the outer shape. So using C for circle, this circle diameter will be 32. So start the top circle. So using C for circle, click on this point. Using D for diameter, 32, enter. Again C for circle, click on same center point. D for diameter, 20, press enter. Now draw the bottom circle, this one. So using C for circle command and create a circle as a diameter D, enter, 10, enter. Now select this circle, use M for move. Downside it will be 65, enter. Again M for move, L for last object, enter. Downside it will be 50. Now create one more circle, use C for circle command. Click on circle center point and radius will be 10. Now create one more circle, the bigger circle. Radius will be 33. So use C for circle. Click on this center point and radius will be 33. Press enter. Select this circle, use M for move. Downside it will be 65. Press enter. Now use a fillet circle as you want to create these curves. So I am going to use circle command. C for circle, TTR, enter. Click on this circle to this circle. Put a value as a radius 64, enter. TR double enter, trim this one. TR double enter, trim this one. Select this arc using MI for mirror command. Click on these to this point. Choose as a node. Now again create this one. So you can use F for fillet, R for radius, 20, enter. Now use T for trim. Choose as a no trim. Select this circle to this circle. Again just press enter to activate last command. select this circle to this circle. Now trim unwanted part of this drawing. So TR double enter, trim this one, this one, this one and this one. Okay, so our almost outer part completed. So now use L for line for the center point. You select this line, M for move and just move from here to here. Select this line, E for erase. Now we are going to create inner part of this drawing. Step 4. Create the inner shape. So use circle command, click on center point, put a radius as a 20. Now create these slots. So using C for circle, click on this midpoint and put a value as a radius 6. Select this circle, use ARRAY array polar, press enter, click on this center point, choose as a item 6, fill as a 360, now need to close. Now trim, TR enter, T for cutting edge, select this circle, press enter, trim this one. Now as same as TR enter, T for cutting edge, select all the circles except this one, press enter, trim. Okay, now zoom out, Z for zoom, zoom this one. If you see very properly, your drawing almost complete. So need to add thickness. So select all your drawing using just selection command, go to properties and check as a line thickness 0.30. Now step 5, adding the dimension. So use DDI for dimension diameter command for this one and also for this one, also for this radius. Use radius command DRA for dimension radius, choose it here, also choose for this one, also click on this radius, and if you want to check this radius, check it here, also this one. So this radius will be 6. Okay, now if you want to check dimension from here to here, so use DLI for dimension linear command, click on this point to this point. Again use DCO for dimension continuous, click here to here. Now final touch, step 6, final touch and export the drawing. So use a layer panel, check object, check dimension, check center line, each and everything will be very properly. Save your work using Ctrl S. So that's it. You have successfully created exercise 38 in AutoCAD. I hope this tutorial was easy to follow. If you found it helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more AutoCAD tutorials. If you want to support me, support my channel, join as a member and help me create more content. Download PDF for this exercise, link from the description box. Okay, comment below if you have any question and suggestion for further tutorial. So thank you, thanks for your time. Hit the bell icon for never miss the update. Tata, bye bye, take care.